Okay, so back with the Ibiza. Got a strange fault with the locking that I'm going to try and investigate. Not done it at the moment, but we'll keep a diary of it and see what happens. If I unlock the car so that everything's unlocked, everything unlocks fine and works okay. If I press the lock button once, I get 2 pulses, which is correct. First one puts the locks on, second one is the deadlock, so the doors can't be opened from inside or outside. That's as it should be. What I should be able to do is press the lock button twice to stop the deadlocks and turn off the interior alarm. I'll just show you what happens if I try and do that. That's the car fully unlocked now. 2 presses of the key. The passenger door makes an extra sound and actually unlocks. Everything else stays locked as it should, but that passenger door is unlocking. Got to put it on VCDS and see what's happening with it. Okay, so measuring values on door status, as you can see on the screen there. If I use the lock button on the door, take a close look at passenger door and actual. The other ones go to locked, that one goes to safe briefly and then goes unlocked. But do it again, so unlock, all the doors show as unlocked. If I press the lock button, that clicks to safe and then unlocked. It's giving me that error, implausible signal, front passenger side. I thought I'd come across it when I went to coding. Set it to 18 at the moment, which if we hover over it, brings us a little key. Like that. Set to 18 is 4 doors, central locking without power windows. Right, it's from dates, so 18 is adding up 16 and 2, so with 4 doors, central locking installed from May 2008, which is right. I have tried changing it to 66, central locking with 2 power windows and 4 doors before May 2007, but it doesn't have any effect, so I've changed it back to 18.